Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to number equations in Word. Like and subscribe, support this channel. Let's get started. To add a number to an equation, you probably create a table, inserted the equation into the first cell, and type the number of this equation into the second cell. Then align all the cells of this table, and at the end remove the borders of the table. It's not a bad way, but what if there is a way to add a number much faster? We insert an equation, for example, let's take one of the standard ones. Now click on the equation as far to the right as possible, and our task is to move the vertical bar to the very end of the equation. We do this by using the right arrow on the keyboard, so that the vertical bar is strictly on the right and no part of the equation is highlighted. Great, now we enter the hash sign and then we type some number or label and press enter. As you can see, the number has been added and the equation is aligned exactly in the center. For example, let's add some kind of fractional equation. We enter the numbers and, as in the first case, move the vertical bar to the right and enter the hash and number. That's all I wanted to say. Now you know more. Thanks for watching.